What happens when you put the battery in extreme heat? Will it swell or even catch fire? Welcome to the EcoVerde Safety Lab. In the summer, high temperatures are one of the biggest concerns for battery users. Will heat cause swelling? Can it lead to fire risks? And more importantly, is it safe for you and your RV? To answer these questions, we recreated real summer heat conditions in our lab and put EcoVerde batteries to the test. This test is designed to closely simulate real-world usage, so you can clearly see how the battery actually performs under heat. Let's break down the results. For this high temperature test, we're putting 2 EcoVerde lithium iron phosphate batteries to the challenge. Before the test began, we used professional equipment to confirm that the key battery parameters were all within the normal range. Next, to better visualize how the battery performs under high temperatures, we'll connect the light bulb as a load. The entire process is conducted by professionals. Now everything is set. Let the test begin. Now we connect the DC light bulb to the battery. First, we raise the temperature to 45 degrees, a common high temperature condition many users experience during summer. Even under these high temperature conditions, the EcoVerde battery continued operating normally, while the test load light remained steadily powered throughout the test. Next, we're raising the temperature to 60 degrees Celsius. This simulates the extreme high temperature conditions that some users may experience after prolonged sun exposure or in certain hot climates. However, even under these extreme temperatures, the EcoVerde battery continued to operate normally, with no noticeable abnormalities throughout the power supply process. So what happens if we push the temperature even further to 65 degrees Celsius? Now this is interesting. The moment it hits 65 degrees Celsius, the battery suddenly shuts down. Whoa! Wait, did it fail? Is it actually broken? At this point, a lot of people watching might be thinking the same thing. Did something go wrong? So after the battery returns to room temperature, we'll take it out and test it again. Now what happens next might surprise you. The battery powers back on and returns to normal operation. Voltage shows no abnormalities. So what happened? This wasn't a failure at all. It was the EcoVerde battery's BMS kicking in with its high temperature protection. In other words, when the ambient temperature exceeds the safe operating threshold, the system automatically cuts off the output. This prevents the battery from continuing to run under extreme heat, reducing risk and helping protect both the battery and the overall electrical safety. Why can lithium iron phosphate batteries stay stable even in high temperatures? It's not because of just one factor, it's the result of multiple layers of engineering working together: cell chemistry, BMS protection, and structural design. First, high-quality A+ grade lithium iron phosphate cells act as the foundation of safety. Lithium iron phosphate chemistry remains structurally stable even under high temperatures. Its structure is far less likely to break down, which helps to eliminate the risk of thermal runaway at the source. In addition, each A+ grade cell undergoes strict consistency screening before assembly, ensuring that parameter variations between cells are kept to a minimum. Next, the battery management system plays a critical role in high temperature safety. The BMS is equipped with high precision sensing chips that continuously monitor each cell's voltage, current and temperature in real time, enabling 24/7 intelligent monitoring of the battery system with no blind spots. But the most important part is this. The BMS is built with a dedicated high temperature protection algorithm. When cell temperature continuously rises and reaches a safety threshold, the system automatically activates protection mode and immediately cuts off charging and discharging. Finally, we optimize the thermal management system, a critical layer of protection for high temperature safety. On the BMS, we use one fin-shaped aluminum alloy heatsink mounted vertically. This alignment keeps the fin in the same direction as airflow, allowing heat to dissipate more efficiently through natural convection and significantly improving cooling performance. At the same time, we designed a dedicated epoxy insulation layer between the BMS and the battery cells. This layer effectively blocks heat transfer from the heatsink to the cells, preventing any secondary heating effect. In EcoVerde, safety should never be a trade-off. It is a core system-level consideration built into every stage of product development. and embedded into every technical detail. With EcoVerti, you get power you can trust, so you can move forward with confidence without looking back. What should we test next? Drop a comment, we'll test it for you.